Okay? So, you know, there's something always special about moments like this. You know, you suddenly become cashed up in the moments, caught up in the moments like this. Thank you, sir. Now I'd like to welcome the convener of the program, sir, convener of the placement cell quiz set, the ever committed and dynamic Mr. Jagdish Kumar sir.
Manaku placement officer, Saru, Dean Placements.
We're honored to welcome the principal of Quiz College of Pharmacy, Dr. M. Kishore Babu sir, to join us on the stage.
Pharmacy principal garu.
లాస్ట్ ఒక్కసారి చెప్పదలుచుకుంది ఏంటంటే ఓకే మీ అందరికీ ఆఫర్ వచ్చింది ఫైన్, చాలా వర్క్ చేశారు ఫైన్, మేనేజ్మెంట్ చాలా సపోర్ట్ చేసింది వెరీ ఫైన్, ట్రైనింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ చాలా పెట్టాం దట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఫైన్, నైట్ 8 వరకు కూర్చోబెట్టి చదివించాం దట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఫైన్. ఓకే, కానీ ఇది ఇక్కడ ఆప్ చేస్తే మాత్రం నాట్ ఫైన్. మీ ట్రైనింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్, మీ లెర్నింగ్ ప్రాసెస్ కానీ ఇక్కడ మీరు ఆప్ చేస్తే దట్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఫైన్. డెఫినెట్గా చెప్తున్నాను, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ఈ కాంపిటేటివ్ వరల్డ్లో మీకు జాబ్ రావటం డెఫినెట్లీ ఇట్స్ ఎ గ్రేట్ థింగ్. కానీ ఎట్ ద సేమ్ టైం ఒక ఓపెన్ ఎరా ఇది. సో మీరు ఇక్కడ జాబ్ వచ్చింది, ఇక నేను చేయడానికి ఏం లేదు, ఒక జావా నేర్చుకున్నాను జాబ్ వచ్చింది, వాళ్ళు ఏదో ప్రాజెక్ట్లో వేశారు చేస్తూ వెళ్తున్నాం. నెక్స్ట్ అంటే ఏఐ గురించి మనం అంత భయపడవలసింది లేదు, కానీ ఏఐ టూల్ని యూజ్ చేసుకోవడం తెలుసుకోవాలి. మార్కెటింగ్ డైనమిక్స్ ఎప్పుడు తెలుసుకుంటూనే ఉండాలి. ఎందుకంటే రీసెంట్గా వెరీ రీసెంట్లీ ఒకసారి నన్ను నేను కూడా చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ కూర్చొని నేను స్టూడెంట్స్కి ట్రైనింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ఎలా ఉండాలని డిజైన్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే మీరు మిస్టేక్ చేస్తే నేను ఎప్పుడూ చెప్తాను యూ కెన్ రెక్టిఫై, యూ హ్యావ్ దట్ ఛాన్స్. బట్ నా సైడ్ నుంచి నేను మీ క్రాస్ చెక్ చేసుకుంటూనే ఉంటాను. సో దానికోసం వెరీ రీసెంట్లీ ఒక నా ఓల్డ్ ఫ్రెండ్ ఒకరు ఐఐటి తర్వాత తను ఐబిఎంలో ఒక 15 years వర్క్ చేశారు. తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు ఒక పెద్ద కంపెనీలో, ఓ బ్రాడ్ కంపెనీలో బిగ్ పొజిషన్లో ఉన్నారు. తనతో ఒకసారి మాట్లాడాను, పేపర్ క్వాలిటీ మార్చమని కాదు. ఓకే, సో ఎవ్రీ 6 months ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసి
స్పీచ్.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్.
తెచ్చుకోండి, ఇక్కడి నుంచి డైలీ లేటెస్ట్ టెక్నాలజీ మీద వర్క్ చేయండి, ఎప్పుడు మార్కెట్ని అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి.
Very specifically, I just want to speak a very few lines since it's already late about the pharmacy placement that happened this year. So much of the student got placed in AGS, Optum, they got placed in Divis. For the very first time, student got placed this time at Ken Laboratories, and much more awaiting Hetero Laboratories yet to come. And we have been in contact with NATCO, and one more company is Strides. So in the near future, I guarantee to everybody that we'll be having much more companies like pharmaceutical companies visiting our institution, and it is the pride. And I can tell you at a high pace that this time we have got more number of students selected in overall state of Andhra Pradesh. This is the statistics of Quiz College of Pharmacy. Thank you very much.
One and all, ladies and gentlemen, respected dignitaries on the dais,
Students calm down.
very good evening to one and all. It gives me an immense pleasure to address this August gathering on the occasion of joyous occasion of placement success meet. Today we come together to celebrate a truly momentous milestone in the lives of our dream students. Successful transition from education to employment, from learning to leading. First and foremost, let me congratulate all our graduating students who have secured placements and now are stepping into professional world with confidence. Your success marks not just the beginning of your career, but also the culmination of your consistent efforts, unwavering focus, and sheer determination. In an era where competition is at its peak and job opportunities are very, very less, you have emerged this victorious. This is an indeed remarkable achievement achieved by students of KISS College of Engineering and Technology, and we are very proud of you. This success story would be incomplete without acknowledging the outstanding efforts of our Training and Placement Division, our visionary leader, dynamic leader, none other than Executive Chairman of KISS Group of Institution, Dr. Nidamunuri Surya Kalyan Chakravarti Garu, has been the guiding force who redefined the purpose of our institution. Under his dynamic leadership, our campus has evolved from beginning a conventional education into a center of excellence, nurturing innovation, employability, research, entrepreneurship, and above all, purpose-driven education. We owe this placement success to the TNP program plan, which is designed by our respected Secretary and Correspondent of KISS Group of Institution at various levels throughout the BTech journey. A plan enriched with academic integration, rigorous training, and skill development. I also place on records our sincere thanks to our beloved Executive Vice Chair, its pivotal role in shaping the student's career. A dedicated infrastructure has been developed exclusively for training, including 15 state
And team, you rocked. Rocked. There you go. We are too proud of you. When the job market is harsh out there, and even some much more senior colleges and universities in the region and in the state of Andhra Pradesh, this is a movie production or it's a symphony. There are so many people involved in your success. Of course, you did the hard work, but somebody gave you the platform. They gave you the direction. They trusted you. They believed in you. They spent on you. And here, your parents have spent on you. Your mentors from first year onwards to the fourth year. I guess for every single student, at least 150 faculty members must have played a role in the production of this success. Starting from humanities and sciences to the fourth year. Even when your attendance is lagging, somebody was reminding you that you have to attend. Somebody was consoling you if you were struggling with something. Somebody was motivating you to come and sit in the training. And all this happened because we have an excellent training and placement cell. We have excellent faculty. We have excellent corporate liaison officer, Mr. Tota Srinivas, and our training placement dean, Mr. Jagadish. Actually, a year ago, he was disappointed when he conducted some pre-testing on you. He felt like, you were not up to the mark. But in 1 year, he turned the tables with the help of Tota Srinivas. And of course, I have to commend that throughout this training and placement, your chairman, Dr. N.S. Kalyan Chakravarti, who is not only a visionary, but also always has a plan and who always discusses with the team members and who is very passionate, more than like a parent. I think he is a very avid knowledge seeker, and he is also very hungry that all his students have to be well trained and industrially equipped to be successful in the industrial environment. He has created a curriculum directly involving himself in the planning of academic curriculum, in forming the fundamental skilling programs, applied skilling programs, and of course, our pride of our institution, DPSR, which is entirely focusing on the research and project development. And this year we are really focused for product innovations. So here, this is a collective teamwork, and your HODs have performed well, and they have supported you throughout this 4 years of journey. And they have taken pain in dealing with a lot of issues with you, and also making sure that like you are comfortable in these programs. Principal has done a wonderful job in orchestrating the different members of this production, and I have to give him a big congratulations. And more importantly, you did the hard work. You believed in yourself, and you made yourself proud, and you gave us the moment to stand here and feel proud about our achievements. As Mr. Jagadish has rightly pointed, now you got the wings to fly. But the thing is, first it is up to you how high you do it. And we have an excellent team, and I want to again take this minute to thank, conclude, have a great night, enjoy to the fullest.
Thank you, ma'am.
9 to 9, it can be 9 to 12, etc. Always, it's an AI era. So people are saying AI, jobs will be laid off, etc., etc. Boss, HI is the era we are having. Human interface it should have. So to operate AI, we are the ones, humans, who will develop that, the bots and other things. So don't worry of AI screwing up the jobs and other things. Think bigger way how you can actually play with the AI. And when I say that, like again I would repeat to you, when I started my journey, similarly, nothing. Day one was like thinking tools and other things, what to do. One gentleman came and said, a fool with a tool who doesn't know how to operate is a fool. So,
Anna Muvala, and I have completed my BTech majors in CSE and minors in business management. And first and foremost, I would like to thank the manager for the management for giving me this opportunity to speak and share my experience with you all. So, working under a visionary management gives you kick. And I'm very privileged to be as a student of Quiz College, because working under or studying under visionary management have given me an experience to get holistic development, and with the curriculum that is into the industry, like which meets into the industry requirements. So by accumulating all the skills that I have gone through from the first year in the rigorous trainings of campus placement, and I'm very privileged that I have got job, and at my third year, with a 30K stipend at US-based product company named OC Tanner, and recently I'm converted as a full-time employer as a software developer with 8.5 CTC. Thank you so much, TNPCL, for your training and amazing feedbacks that you have given us. Thank you, management. Thank you so much.
I am placed at Recu India Private Limited. Currently, I am working as a QA analyst from the past 8 months. Really, this is a very proud moment for me. Being as a fourth-year student, I have worked in a big company. This is really very a proud moment and happiest moment for me. And just I want to say to all my juniors only one thing. Just I want to highlight one good initiative that was taken from our college management. That is a Prime Batch initiative. Really, it helped a lot to all the students. Because as a students, we feel like to sitting for long hours and being focused, it's very really hard little bit to all of us. But once you step out into the real world, we'll get to know that how the reality is and how the training placement was helpful for us. When we were in the college, we principals, HODs, esteemed faculty, other dignitaries, and my fellow batchmates and juniors. Good afternoon.
So I would firstly thank the management for giving this opportunity. Since I have begun my career in this BTech, I was nil, because you know, right, what to do, what we have to become. So we have no clear idea, right? So while you travel this along, so there will be some helping hands. So these are from our faculty members or from our friends or from the management side. So you'll be all eagerly waiting for that helping hand, right? Yeah. So for me, the helping hand is always my friends. And before thanking my friends, I would like to thank the management, because they are the first initiatives for me. And at last, I would thank the TNP cell because
batch 21 to 25. I would really like to thank you, the faculty and the institution that helped me to bring the knowledge out and the discipline they have built in us. And next, out of our 4 past years, our academic career is full of challenges, workshops, internships, and extracurricular activities that helped me to bring out my career knowledge, academics. And one of the foremost milestone of my career is that placement batch training that has introduced me, being as a bridge between the academics and career. And this helped me a lot to bring out of my career placement skills and the preparation tutorials and the study hours they spent up to 8 p.m. And this given me an opportunity to place in a Recu India Private Limited with CTC 5.5.
Firstly, thank you for TNP cells where they pushed us to be here. At start, when we are in prime batch, we all think like why we have to sit up till 8 and why we have to practice here. We can enjoy like that. Like every of us think like that. We also thought at that time our management, like especially with Jagdish sir, pushed us to sit here and to practice well.
Class, so where I started my journey to start. So firstly, you require a passion. So if you have a passion, then you're really able to success. So it's not about the core company or it's about any software company. So you should have a passion. So just fuel your passion so that you can able to achieve a lot of success. So my journey regarding the Coforge company, so initially I started my journey like practicing coding. So there with my prime batch, this initiation made myself to start learning the code like from the scratch. So you can able to implement the same logic in multiple ways so that you can become a great master in this competitive world. So this is able to make you success. So confidence and passion and also consistency is required. So if you have a failures, so not stop the situation. So just go for it and give you passion so that
Well, students, PLO Randy, one by one.
Thank you very much, sir, for being a part of the occasion. It's an honor for us for having you here, sir. Thank you very much.
With the stipend of 20K and also with the package of 8.5 LPA, the college had helped me to get this opportunity and for my successful career. I would like to share that the experience that I had got through the college, the facilities and all other things provided by the management and the special programs conducted by the TNP cell and the encouragement from our faculties and all the other persons and the team in our college. They had helped me to encourage and support entire career in this BTech life. So, and also I would like to share one thing for the juniors that the success doesn't come overnight. We have to wait and it is a journey of consistent efforts. So I would only tell that one to don't